Hey guys, Mindy Browse here with the Integrated Co-op. This is a teacher video for year 1, week 22. All right, you are starting Victory on the Walls this week. This one is a fantastic one, of course, to tie in not only to world history, but biblical history. It is the story of Nehemiah. I really, really like this book. Okay, so discuss chapters 1 through 4. Draw out, since you're starting a book, who are our main characters? How are they feeling? Ask, the main character of this book is not a fan right now. And he's a little grumpy, having some issues, okay? Talk about that. What do they see about the Jewish faith right here? What is Nehemiah doing? Do they think he's doing the right thing or not? Would they be feeling like our main character, Bonnie, or not? All right, so really draw out that great stuff. All right, they're going to drink date juice. You're going to make date juice from the syrup. You just mix it 1 to 1 first. Taste that. If that is too not the consistency you want, then add it. Make it a 1 to 2 ratio. All right, you'll have little cups and a pitcher. Fill that with water so everyone can taste date juice. You're also going to study the Jewish calendar. Sorry, I forgot the handout somewhere else, but I'll make sure it's in the bag. Talk about the Jewish calendar and how their calendar works versus ours. And what month is it right now? Things like that. All right. Grammar and composition. Stay on track. Math tips and tricks. All right. This one is something I do in my head. I don't know why. I just do. This is learning to multiply by 25 using the quarters $2 leftovers trick. All right, so where's my pencil? All right, so let's say I want to multiply 7 times 25. Okay, so 7. How many quarters in there makes $1? All right, 4. Right? So that's 100. And then how many quarters are left? Out of, when you have 7, you have 3. So 75, so that'd be 75 cents. So the answer is 175. All right. I know that one might seem weird to you, but it works. So same thing, 13 times 25. All right. So we're looking at the number 13. Let's say how many quarters how many quarters make $1 in that. So 4 into 13 is what? 4 times 3 is 12. So 3. All right. So that's what? $3, which is 300, right? How many are left? 1, 25. So the answer is 325. Okay. So make sure you do that a few times so they understand it. You may have to draw on the board the quarters and circle them to help them start picturing it. There you go. And then they do it individually, and that's it. And that's week 22. Have fun.